Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Life Today Scene. Today I'm going to be showing you a cute craft. For that you need a paper, a glue and a scissor. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be taking a piece of paper and folding it into half, like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it. After that I'm going to put this aside, and then I'm going to be cutting 2 strips of paper. We are only going to use 1 strip, and you can just put the other strip for some other art craft. Folding the paper like so, and once more. I'm going to repeat this 4 times, and then fold it again. Then I'm going to be flipping this over and bend it like this and join the 2 ends together. Then I'm going to be putting this inside. After that, I'm going to be gluing this part, the middle part. Putting the glue in the middle. After that, I'm going to be taking the piece of paper that we saved and then just putting it in the middle. Just tap it lightly. Then I'm going to be folding the edges with the help of a pencil, like so, with the both sides. Our paper plane is ready. So let's take it to the stairs and try it.